Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue when your sound is not working for your Audi A3, and it's super simple. So what you want to do is this. You're going to have the menu button, then you're going to have big wheel, and then you're going to have the top right button next to the big wheel. And what you want to do is that you want to press all these three together at the same time. So you're gonna have menu, big wheel, and the top right button next to it. You're gonna press them and hold for like 1 second, and then you're gonna release. And this is how we're gonna reset the sound primarily, and also the screen, and therefore it should like fix the issue, and maybe the sound is going to work now. If you have different kind of Audi A3, maybe you can have something like this. So what you want to do, you want to press this button, and this button at the same time. Again, the big wheel, the map, and radio. And if you're gonna have it like this, I don't know if it's possible, but you're gonna have the setup button, the big wheel button, and top right button. But here it's primarily you're gonna have, I think, this type of car. So we want to have menu, big wheel, and the top right button, and it should fix the issue. So thank you very much, and have a great day, and goodbye.